김치 뭐해? 김치. 김치야. 김치. 뭐해? 뭐 하는 거야 거기서? 아니 얘는 하루 종일 이렇게 왔다 갔다. 너의 일과.
Jongensan, right? Correct? We're at Jongensan. It's really beautiful up here, but it's kind of scary. A little bit. You wanna push me over the edge? Arma? You wanna push me over the edge? Tell the truth. Gaja, I can do this. No, I want everybody to watch you walk down these scary stairs. This is way more steep than they can tell. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Ugh. This mixes my two worst things, heights and climbing ladders. I feel like I can't breathe. Every step I take, like the air in my lungs disappears. Wow. Holy smokes. You can't really see the city. I can, but the camera can't. Look at Autumn holding the rail. Hey Autumn, never mind. You had like a bee on your back. I was gonna tell you to swat it, but you're fine. It flew away.
Don't lean back over there.
Don't lean back. You got it. Don't make me fall. Autumn, please. Please, please, please. Oh, 진짜. Oh, you made me scared. Oh, I like this trail. This is my kind of hiking trail. Yeah, I don't like walking on like wood and flat stuff. I like doing this kind. Off-road hike.
We need hiking shoes.
Yeah, if we actually hike more, then we can get them. Well, we have to find out if it's something we like. I'm surprised you asked me to come this weekend. I think we found an animal trail.
Let's go find the animal.
Whoa.
Okay.
Yeah. It's kind of slippery.
Let's go buy. Before we go hiking every weekend, we have to buy hiking shoes.
These are really old shoes.
Yeah, one rock.
Get a rock?
Yeah.
Like big one or little one, doesn't matter. Okay? I'm...
아 진짜.
It has to be a good one. Okay, I found one. Well, this is... Oh, that's what we're doing. Does it have to go on top? Can I set it here? Can we say our wishes or you have to keep it secret?
I already wish.
Yeah, you didn't tell me. Do you have to keep it a secret?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Sorry for bouncy. I'm climbing too. I can't breathe in this mess. Go, Autumn, go. Well, you did it.
밥 잡아. 안 보여?
You did it, Autumn. You tired?
지금 재배인 거라 내가 누구한테 맨날 아 나 저 새끼 도와주느냐고 내 1년치는 먹을 거 주는데 작두콩 크기가 말이야 2m야 2m 울타리 타고 이렇게 올라가는 거요. 그래가지고 작두콩 이렇게 다니는 거 이런 게 크게 그거 따다가 그거 또 기계가 있어 그거 1cm 물 1리터에 요거 5조각 맞는데
나는 그냥 끓여 먹는 데다 집어넣으면 돼.
그리고
말린 거 좀 줬잖아. 그거 넣고 홍당 넣고.
보리차 같은 거
Halfway complete.
다시 내려가.
Are you tired?
나못 내려갈 것 같아.
하나에
I saw your face. This way's really pretty, Autumn. So funny story. Autumn was trying to take the easy way out and go down the fast trail down the mountain. And Ajashi called her and he said, no, you can't go down that way. So we started following them on the trail they were going on. And they're going to the next mountain. So now we're doing 3 mountains today. Oh, 진짜. It's funny. It's actually fun though. I'm glad Autumn's going hiking.
지금 하이킹 등산 73분째. 하이. 기분 좋아?
어?
막 다리가 후들거려 나.
What are you saying?
My leg is like shaking.
왜?
I don't know. 그렇게 하면 더 아파. 와, 이쁘다 근데. 아, 이제 또 올라가야 돼요. 0.8km 남았어. 0.8km. 정상까지.
I'm breathing so hard. I'm sorry if you can hear it. Arma, your back of your shirt looks like a scary face. Ooh. Wow, it's so beautiful up here. Even though it's a little bit cloudy, it's supposed to rain in about 3 hours. It's really beautiful. It's a little hazy today. You can do it. Don't fret. Turn that frown upside down. Very, very pretty up here. Yonggan-san. 364 meters. We did it, Otter. I don't know what this means. It says samgag jum. Samgag jum. You need to put a rock. You need to put a rock. Hush. I think we'll be going there next. And then down. You ready, Autumn? Wow, this is really nice right here.
Everybody come to Young.
You're so sweaty. Ghost face again. Wow, I like this little stone road they have going down. This is really awesome. It's a really beautiful day. Turned out well. Are you having fun? Tell the truth. If you have to tell the truth for one time in your life, tell it right now. Is this fun trip?
Half and half.
Half and half, 50-50?
60% is hard and 40% is good.
Uh-huh. So sometimes hard is fun though.
Yep.
Maybe we started out a little too hard. This is only
Yeah,
our second hike, and this was really difficult.
We don't get ready for that anyway.
Yeah, we weren't prepared at all. We're still wearing regular tennis shoes. Regular tennis shoes.
Food and like drink.
We have a whole elementary school about to run us over. Wow, so pretty. Cute. It's really pretty.
Hey, Kimchi. Hey, buddy. 김치 이거 봐. 귀여워.
Get up here.
Yeah, why not?
Kimchi.
This is a pet job.
Kimchi.
김치.
Kimchi. Hey, up. Up. Come on.
아 귀여워.
Come on. Up.
He's
Up.
fat.
Up. Come on. Up. 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 Come on. Up. 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 Come on. Get
아니
up.
왜 못 올라가?
It's too fast. It's too afraid to jump. Stop
Travis,
scratching.
can I see your back? 진짜 너무 귀엽다.
You like my shirt?
어, 짱기. 김치? 김치 come! 김치 come! Come here! Oh, sorry. 뭐야? 김치 왜 저래?
There you go. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Go on. Go on.
김치,
Go on. Good boy. Go. Go.
go!
Go. Good boy. There you go.
I don't understand. 김치 물 좋아하는데?
kumbaya, kumbaya, ya, ya, ya.
김치 불러봐. 김치 뭐해?
Like he's copying that other dog.
What the heck?
Because that other dog was rolling and
아니 쟤 왜
scratching.
저래?
So now Kimchi's rolling and
What's
scratching.
he doing?
Look at it, look.
We're a little bit rough and a little bit lovely. That's why they call us lovely. Lovely, lovely. Lovely.